Hey friends, so when you're like, where the F is my Pinterest pixel? Here we go. Because it used to be that if you went to ads.pinterest.com, you would have like a header section up here where you could just get it. Now you can't because they have to make it annoying. So wherever you are, click the hamburger menu, and then you're going to go over to manage business, and then under that you'll see conversions. Click on conversions, and then under the menu on the left here, click tag manager and then Pinterest tag. This is your Pinterest tag, okay? So you can literally just take this. Now I think you can, yeah, if you need the full base code, you can just get it here. Click the three dots, or a specific event. But now another little hack, if you just want your like tag ID, is if you go to your website, if you have the Pinterest Tag Manager Chrome extension or Pinterest Tag Helper Chrome extension, you can just click on that and then it'll tell you your tag ID here as well. Okay, hope that was helpful.